These ericaceous plants are acid-loving, lime-hating plants. They have specific needs and require specialist feeds. Westland Ericaceous high-performance liquid plant food has been tailored to meet those needs for longer-lasting, more beautiful flowers. Water and nutrients are evenly distributed through the soil to both feed and hydrate the plant. It's rich in seaweed to boost flowering, so even bigger blooms are guaranteed. It's rich in chelated iron for the control of nutrients in low pH soil. It also has chelated magnesium to help optimize light capture and energy, all the key nutrients for greener and glossier foliage. What's more, it's pet, child and bee friendly, meaning you don't have to worry. To use, simply pour 50 millilitres of feed into the dosing cap and add to 4.5 litres of water in a watering can. Water your plants and watch them grow in abundance of beautiful, healthy blooms. It's important to feed your ericaceous plants every 1 to 2 weeks until late summer. Be careful not to get any feed on the foliage. For even better results, plant your acid-loving plants in Westland Ericaceous planting and potting mix to really help them thrive.